Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringer at CO.10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Tinplate. Tinplate is a small cap, and here you can see the monthly technical chart of Tinplate. You can see the price trend path pattern of Tinplate stock here, along with a few technical indicator graphs like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, money flow, etc. If you look at the price trend path pattern, we have data here since 2012, and you can clearly see only after March 2017 this particular stock started moving up, and it reached, it started from 73 rupees and it reached nearly 296. That's really great. And you see, this is a monthly chart, and every candle stands for 1 month. Okay, now this is the one right now. Today is 2017 November, and this red candle, what you're seeing, this small red candle is the one that represents this particular month. And today is November 6th, only just started, month has just started. And so far the stock, the net result of the price result of the stock is in, actually the price is going down. That is the result. That is the reason why it is, the candle is in red color. And just because today is 6th and actually November is 30 days, so still a few more days are left. So that is the reason why the overall this thing is very small. So now, why it isn't red? And here I am talking from technical point. I'm not touching the fundamental thing. Okay, from technically, what is the problem? Because you can clearly see the super trend. This stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode, and it has already crossed its 20-day moving average, and it has already crossed its 50-day moving average, and RSI is peaking. Everything is good. Look at the MACD. MACD is also, has a split up, and then even that signal line is on top of the red line. Both are diverging, and the histogram bars are populating on top of the baseline, and they are green color, and even the size is also good. Look at the momentum. Momentum is playing on top of the baseline. Baseline is the zero line, and look at the momentum except for the tip. The tip is right now, it is little bit in the downward direction, but it's okay. But it is playing. It's playing on top of that, and it is rising actually. Look at the directional strength of the stock ADX. It is rising here, and look at the green and red lines. They are diverging, creating a lot of gap between them, which is directly proportional to the price movement of the stock. Look at the money flow. Money flow is again peaking. Everything is good, but why the stock is going down? Technically, I can show you the reason. I will take you to the hour chart of Tinplate, and here you can clearly see this stock has been under the influence of negative super trend mode here. Okay, so far we have been talking or viewing the monthly technical chart, and suddenly today I am bringing you to the hourly chart, and here I am showing you the negative trend. This stock is under the influence of negative super trend mode, and because of that, my reason is like, because of this, the stock is going down. Okay, you need to understand one thing here. We use different, in technical analysis, we use different time frames. This is one particular point which is very important. So we use different time frames. For normally for day trading, we use 1 minute chart, and some people use 3 minute chart, and some people use, very rarely they use 5 minute chart. But normally most of the people don't use that, very rarely. Okay, 1 minute and 3 minute are the most popularly used this thing for day trading, charts for day trading. Now when it comes to the date, long term, this thing like that, people use that day chart. And some people who are, who want to see the considerable, go beyond that, they look at the week chart, and maximum is the monthly chart. Because we are preparing, we are building, creating these videos for a long term investment. I am looking at the monthly chart, because most of the technical indicators, based on the parameters that we set in typical, we use customized parameters. Because of that, there is a chance that they may throw some sort of wrong signals here and there. But when it comes to the monthly chart, because of the time frame, there is a lot of possibility, like the overall wrong signals thrown by the technical indicators are minimized. because of the time frame. So that is the reason why I use monthly technical chart when I am showing you the trend of the stock and all those things like that. Now, if a particular stock has to rise, then we need to see it has to. I mean, we need to see that it has to rise in the 1 minute chart, 3 minute chart, 5 minute chart, like that. Even 1 day chart, 1 hour chart, and weekly chart and monthly chart. Everywhere, every chart, we need to see that the stock should. I mean, we need to see the stock in the rising position. Only then the stock. There will be a free flow. There will be a rally actually. If there is a momentum, just rising itself is not enough. We need momentum also. If momentum is added to that rising thing, then we will see a rally. Okay, but most of the times, very rarely we see such kind of thing. But normally, what we see is like the stock might be rising in the monthly chart, but it might be going down in the hourly chart, just like this tin plate thing. In monthly chart, if you see, everything is hunky dory, but when it comes, but the stock is not rising up. It has been consistently going down for the last few days, and we don't know the reason. If you just look at the monthly chart, now if you look at the hourly chart, then only you will come to know the reason. Okay, because the negative super trend has set in the hourly mode, but not in the monthly one. So because of that, we are not seeing such kind of thing in the monthly thing, and only when we dig in, then only we come to know that in the monthly, in the hourly thing, in the hourly chart, the super trend has said negative super trend has set in, and because of that, the price is going down. So this is the thing that we need to look at, and these are all certain small things, and but very critical things which we have to keep in mind, and when we are digging deep to find the problem, why a particular stock is going down or why a particular stock is going up. So all these things we need to keep in consideration, and then we have to do that. We have to do the technical analysis. So all these things come as part of your experience slowly. So that comes, when you're watching this kind of videos, obviously one or the other. I mean, someone definitely like this. This kind of analysis. Right now, whatever I had given, same kind of thing or similar kind of thing will be told by other people also. So slowly, by watching these kind of videos, you will gather the information. Okay, now coming back to the tin plate thing, technical as per the technical analysis, because the negative super trend has set in the hourly chart, tin plate price is going down right now. Though in the monthly chart, everything is hunky dory. Okay, that's what I want to show you. So once that negative super trend becomes a positive super trend, then there is a opportunity, there is a chance that if there is no negative trend set in a weekly chart or a day chart or whatever, then again this green candle will start forming there. Or you can simply say right now it is in a consolidation phase, and after a certain period of time, it will start moving in the upward direction. Why? Because you can clearly see out of I'm using 5 indicators here, and of this 5, mostly, except for the momentum, which is a little bit looking in the downward direction, remaining all indicators are throwing positive guiding points. So I'm pretty sure that this stock will rise up, but after a certain period of time, after this consolidation is over, then it will rise up. So this, if at all you want to buy the stock, it is the right time to buy, because you get this stock at a cheap price. So you buy and keep it. It's like a buy and hold strategy. And once the stock start moving in the upward direction, then you can get benefited. So that is the analysis for the stock, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.